federal agents fanning out across Los Angeles neighborhoods have reignited a bitter clash between California Democrats and President Donald Trump, after the Supreme Court on Monday cleared the way for the administration's immigration raids to proceed. The ruling, a 6-3 order with little explanation from the majority, drew furious denunciations from state leaders who branded it un-American and a harbinger of racial profiling. California Governor Gavin Newsom, one of Trump's most persistent adversaries, did not mince words. Ariel Donald Trump's hand-picked SCOTUS majority just became the Grand Marshal for a parade of racial terror in LA, Newsom wrote on X, accusing the administration of deliberately targeting Latinos and others who do not fit advisor Stephen Miller's vision of an American. The case reached the High Court after a federal judge in July halted immigration and customs enforcement raids in Los Angeles County, ruling they were likely unconstitutional because agents detained people for apparent race or ethnicity or for speaking Spanish. That order was upheld by the Ninth Circuit before the Supreme Court reversed course, granting the administration's request to resume enforcement while the case proceeds. Justice Brett Kavanaugh, writing separately, argued that apparent ethnicity alone cannot furnish reasonable suspicion, but may be considered a relevant factor alongside other circumstances. The decision drew a sharp response from Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass, who called it dangerous and warned it threatened the fabric of personal freedom in the US. In a statement and a message on X, she vowed that Angelenos would not be divided by the White House nor the Supreme Court. California Senator Adam Schiff, another longtime Trump foe, accused the court and Republicans in Congress of enabling dictatorship.
This administration rounded up and arrested California residents, including U.S. citizens and legal residents, based on the color of their skin or the language they speak. This is blatantly illegal, yet the Supreme Court is allowing it to happen.
The Trump administration celebrated the decision, framing it as a victory for public safety. This is a win for the safety of Californians and the rule of law, Department of Homeland Security spokeswoman Tricia McLaughlin told Politico, adding that agents would continue targeting murderers, rapists, gang members, and other criminal illegal aliens. Tensions in Los Angeles have been rising since June, when federal officials began moving against residents in the self-declared sanctuary city. Protests and sporadic riots broke out as community groups rallied against the raids, while local leaders urged calm and pledged solidarity with immigrant families. With raids already underway and anger spilling onto the streets, the fight over immigration in California now stands as a frontline battle in Trump's second White House term, and one that his critics insist could shape the nation's democratic future.